We got the Boomer wheels on there in the background. I'm not gonna show you just yet, but you'll see here just in a second. And I don't know, got a bunch of little random things to do to this thing to make it look perfect. Let me give you a little rundown. We got the transfer case shifter in the truck. We got the drive shaft in the truck. I had to put a new U-joint in the drive shaft, go figure. Got 80W90 in the transfer case. Got 5W30 in the trans. Nothing leaks, so we're ready to drive it, right? No. The other day, I get in it, push the clutch in, go to start it, starts up just fine, just like a first gen would. It's like barely even cranks over before it starts. Pull it about 2 feet forward in the driveway because I had wheel chocks on every wheel. Shut it off, park it in gear, everything's fine. Pull the wheel chocks out of the way, go to jump in it and start it so I can drive it around the block and give it a shakedown run, and the battery's dead. Now this thing had 2 batteries in it from the previous owner or somebody down the line. I believe I'm the 3rd owner, so I think it was 2 people ago because he pulled a camper with this and I think he had kind of a hookup in the bed for it. So let's get this in the truck because I want to drive it. All right, I need to address one last thing before the new wheel and tire setup goes on, which is sitting right here below me. The front axle seals on the diff, I'll show you guys in a second. They pour oil like out of the axle tubes on both ends, so I need to redo those. That's the only seal that I didn't do when I redid the whole front axle, which I'm regretting now like crazy because I have to pull everything back apart. Anyway, I'm about to do that, and then we'll be able to throw the front wheels and tires on, and then we'll address the rears, which are super heavy. I might actually need some help taking those off because they are insane. But let's do it. As we get ready to put the front diff back together with the new axle seals in it, I've got a little something to show you guys. This is called Precision Built. It is their new 1/2-inch torque wrench. It's just like any other torque wrench, but I do like to show some new tools that I get every once in a while. And this thing's kind of cool. It has like a little unlock and lock thing, so makes it super easy to use. And then it just works like any other torque wrench. I'll link this down below. It's nothing special, but these things are very affordable and it gets the job done, which is what I dig. Let's do it. Well guys, now that the Dodge is finally done, we can drive it, have absolutely no worries. This thing looks perfect. As always, make sure you subscribe down below for more content on the Nazty 1 Gen. Gotta love it. See you in the next one.